guys, it's your girl Daisy, Flower Girl, and welcome my squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please hit the notification bell so you'll know each and every time I do come on. And we would like for you to be part of the family. And today I have Sierra Miss, baby. It's going down. Yeah. Okay, so let's get to it. I had a wonderful day. Hope you guys had a wonderful day as well. And if you have any challenges for me or you have any food requests, please comment below and let me know so I can take on this challenge. So let's get to it, you guys. It's waiting for me. It's ready. Oh, excuse me. I forgot to say, if you don't like loud burping, smacking, chewing, or loud noises, this is not the channel for you. Excuse me, you guys. Woo! There you go. There you have it. And another one. Sierra Miss. All gone. If you want to take me up on a challenge, comment below. Let me know. If you have any challenges for me, please let me know. Or any food reviews that you want me to do, I would love to try it. Of course, you know I love trying all types of foods. So there you have it, you guys. I love you guys so much. Come be part of the family. Hit the notification bell. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.